have?
I have.
You have? Okay, thank you. Hi, happy Sunday. This is my son Sean holding the camera, which you can't see him, but he's behind the camera. And today I'm working with the pendulum I made after Eric died. And the pendulum is a tool of divination. I think of it as sort of a battery. It takes a connection on one of either on each end. In this case, I'm using my right hand to hold the pendulum, and then my left hand is what the bob is going to resonate from or with. I mean, you can follow the pendulum, bud. You can put a pendulum over anything and discern its energy, because this is just water, because it is just a resonant tool. People douse for water, water witches douse for water using a divining rod, a stick. Here's my African violet, and let's see what kind of energy it has. Okay, it has a very linear thing going on. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay, so there's... Now, what's interesting about pendulums, those who mock or scoff tend to say, oh, you're swinging it. No, my right hand stays immobile, as much as a woman with dyskinesia can. So the pendulum just swings with the energy of an individual. That's just a basic energy swing. What a pendulum tends to do is answer yes/no questions. The questions need to be specific, like, is my name Marianne? Is my name Ralph? Do people Ralph? Well, yeah, kind of. Do people puke? There we go. Some people call it Ralphing. All right, so today I was using the pendulum, Eric's pendulum, and I just wanted to, hi. Are you lying down because you're tired?
Yes.
Okay, you need more coffee. In any case, I just wanted to introduce pendulum use. Pendulum is probably my favorite, well, no. I love the tarot as well. If you scan my altar bed, let the light adjust. You can see on the left side and the front is my 3-card draw for the season. This was my built-in. Thank you, sir. The added motion. I always do a 3-card cast for the beginning on every Sabbat. That was the Beltane altar. Okay, but go ahead and do that back to the pendulum. Pendulums originally were pretty much anything suspended from a string: a button, a crystal, a gem, a rock. And in this case, this is the pendulum I specifically used to communicate with my husband who died in 2012. Yeah, he is quite a resonant spirit. And I love you too, baby. He swings at my wedding ring when we talk about love. It goes right for my wedding ring, so I always discern that as being love. And he has a way to calm me down too when I'm upset. He goes right there it points at the webbing between my thumb and my palm. That's what he swings when he just wants to calm me down or comfort me or make me laugh. And it's a beautiful little instrument of communication. I was using it this morning to help. Okay, this is something. How long is the video so far? But look at the top left of the screen.
4 minutes.
4 minutes. Okay, so we got plenty of time. When I bought this bottle of calcium. Yeah, these are my meds. This is me on maintenance. Lots of that is supplements too. When I bought my bottle of calcium yesterday, when I got home, I noticed that the lid was askew, and I was like, shit, okay. But the plastic around it was completely intact. So nobody had opened the lid that way. However, these have little pop tops, and the pop top popped up, and the inner seal was kind of, I don't know, I touched it, and it just went down in, so I'm like, oh crap, did anybody mess with this? So I consulted the pendulum. I basically just held I opened the jar. I held the pendulum over it just to let Eric get the feel, or just to get the energy of the calcium, and until it swung and was resonating with what was in the bottle. And then I just basically asked, is it
poisoned?
No. Well, no. I asked if what was in the bottle. Well, here I can re-ask the questions. Let me rest my left arm. Franken's shoulder gets tired. Okay, so I asked if what was in the bottle was what was on the label. And interestingly enough, maybe you can repeat. Eric said no. So I'm like, oh shit. Okay, well, is it calcium? And yeah, it definitely is calcium. And I said, is there anything sinister in it? And he told me no. And I said, okay, well, is it okay for me to take? And he was, emphatically in the affirmation of me taking that calcium. Mm-hmm. I needed to start taking calcium because I have osteopenia. Osteopenia is sort of the precursor to osteoporosis. Oh, now you're gonna look at me. Oh God, I look terrible. I have no earrings on. I have my headphones on. All right. Osteopenia is a precursor to osteoporosis, which is the porous quality of the bones. They become lacy and easily broken. Osteopenia is a loss of calcium, so the bones become not so much brittle, but at risk. They are not as strong. Okay, Sean needed to involve a kitty. Dude, scary close up. Back up for the people, please. Oh my God, Kitty's not even in approval of that.
I was trying to get his face.
Okay, well.
Come ahead, nuzzle the camera.
Actually aim the camera at his face, but
I don't know where it's aiming. It's weird. It has a weird off-center lens.
The lens is up in the upper left corner.
I don't like that.
In the back. Well, that's okay.
I like my camera lenses centered and straight.
Okay.
Oh, now he wants to say hi.
No, now he's like, you fucking woke me up, so now you have to pay attention to me.
I'll pay attention to him.
Hey, bud, just let me finish your video for the good people, please.
Sorry, ADHD.
That's okay. In any case, chemo brain lost where I was. Anyway, I just wanted to introduce a pendulum. Pendulum and tarot are my favorite tools of divination. Other ones would include runes. Runes are awesome. I've used runes too. I've made them. I used to sell pendulums and runes years ago at expos, like Whole Life Expo was one of my favorite venues. In any case, what time is it on the video?
7 minutes, 30 seconds.
All right, yeah, we'll wrap this up. So if you're familiar with divination, what system do you enjoy? Are you a tea leaf reader? Are you a coffee ground reader? Are you a diviner using a stick or a pendulum or a wand or a globe? A crystal ball, water. What's your favorite system of divination? And open to questions, comments, scoffing, mocking. If that's what moves you or what you feel compelled to do, then I'll handle that too. So that's cool. All right. Thank you. Have a good Sunday.